morning. Our lesson today is about approximating to the nearest unit. To approximate to the nearest unit, if the tenths, as we said before, to approximate to the nearest unit, okay, I will look at the digit before unit. We have units, tens, hundreds, decimal point, and in the decimal part we have tenths. So, to approximate to the nearest unit, look at the digit before units, tenths. And if it was less than 5 as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, as we said, this group is poor. We will cancel the decimal part and keep the whole number as it is. Like this, 11.32. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit before units in tenths. 3 is poor. So remove the decimal part and keep the whole number as it is, 11. Or 921.06. Okay, underline the digit in units. Look at the digit in tenths. 0 is poor. So I will remove the decimal part and keep the whole number as it is, 921. And in case the tenths digit is more than or equal to 5 as 6, 7, 8, or 9, this group is rich. So cancel the decimal part and increase the units digit by 1 and keep the other digits as they are. So if I have 275.7, underline the digit in units, look at the digit in tenths, 7 is rich. Excellent. Cancel the decimal part and add 1 to units and keep the other digits before units as they are. So 5 it will be 6 and 7 in tens, 2 in hundreds, 276. 11.5, underline the digit in ones or units. Look at 5 in tenths, 5 is rich. Add 1 to units and cancel the decimal part to be 12. Okay, note that approximating to the nearest unit is sometimes said as approximating to the nearest whole number. Okay. To approximate any fraction, concentrate with me. To approximate any fraction to the nearest unit, multiply the numerator by 2. Then, if the product is less than the denominator, then cancel the fraction and keep the whole number as it is. So, I will multiply the numerator by 2, then compare it by the denominator. If the product was less than the denominator, this fraction is poor. I will cross it and keep the whole number as it is. And if the product is greater than or equal to the denominator, we will consider it as a rich fraction. And I will cross it and add 1 to units. And now, this part, we studied it before and now we will remember it again. Keep it well. Okay, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meter. 1 year have 12 months. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 gram. 1 meter equals 10 decimeter. 1 month equals 30 days. 1 week 7 days. 1 pound 100 piasters. 1 day 24 hours and 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 decimeter 10 centimeter and 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. And now turn the page to solve the first exercise. Exercise number 1. Approximate to the nearest unit or to the nearest whole number. Okay, underline the digit in units and look at the digit before units. Yes, in tenth place. So 9 is rich. So I will remove the decimal part and add 1 to units and keep the other digits as they are. So 89.966 will be 90. 9 plus 1 equals 10, 0 carry up 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Now I have a fraction 4 over 5. Okay, I will multiply the numerator by 2. 4 by 2 equals 8. Then I will compare the product by denominator. 8 is greater than 5. So this fraction is rich. So 4 over 5, it will be 1. Okay. Here I multiply the numerator by 2, then I compare the product by denominator. If it was greater than denominator, then fraction is rich. I will cross it and add 1 to the whole number or units. Here my whole number is 0. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. And if the numerator it was smaller than denominator, this fraction it was poor. And now if you want to make sure, as we studied, to convert the fraction to decimal number, the denominator should be 5, 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, so now I will multiply both of the numerator and denominator by 2. 5 by 2 and 4 by 2. 4 by 2 equals 8 and 5 by 2 equals 10. 8 over 10 equals 0.8. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit before units. 8 is rich. So I will remove the decimal part and add 1 to units. 0 plus 1 equals 1. The same result. And now 41.992, as we said in the same sequence. Underline the digit in units. Look at 10th place. 9 is rich. Okay. Cross the decimal part and add 1 to units and keep the other digits as they are. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 42. Okay. And now I will do the operation. I will do the addition operation. At first, count the digits after the decimal point. Here I have 2 digits and here I have 1 digit. So I will put 0 after 3 to make balance. And now I will do it vertically. 945.41 plus 822.30. Start from the right. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then put the decimal point. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 9 plus 2 equals 17. Okay. And write the sum here. 17,167.71. And now I will do the approximation. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit in 10th place. 7 is rich, so I will remove the decimal part and add 1 to the units, then keep the other digits as they are. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 6 in tens, 7 in hundreds, 1 in thousands. Okay. Letter E. Letter E, I will change the sign to be plus instead of minus. Okay. Now, first step, count the digits after the decimal point. Here I have 1 digit and here I have 1 digit. So start from the right. 4 plus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, carry up 1. Then put the decimal point. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 2, carry up 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes. 4, carry up 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Okay. Now I will approximate the sum to the nearest unit or to the nearest whole number. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit in tenth. 1 is poor. So I will remove the decimal part and keep the whole number as it is. 1,342. Okay. Letter F, 2 and 3 quarters. I will multiply the numerator by 2. Yes, 3 by 2 equals 6. And compare the product by the denominator. 6 is greater than 4. So this fraction is rich. So cross the fraction and add 1 to the whole number. So 2 and 3 quarters, it will be 3. In the same sequence, 1 and third and 1/3. 1, I will take the numerator and multiply it by 2. 1 by 2 equals 2. And compare it by the denominator. 2 is less than 3. So this fraction is poor. Cross the fraction and keep the whole number as it is. In this exercise, I will approximate to the nearest kilometer. Okay, as we said before, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meter. And when I convert from the bigger or from the larger unit to the smaller unit, I will multiply. And when I convert from the less unit to the bigger unit, I will divide. Here I will convert or approximate from meter to kilometer, so I will divide. Divided by 1,000. As we said before, when dividing by 1,000, we write here 568 674 divided by 1,000. When dividing by 1,000, how many zeros in 1,000? Here I have 3 zeros. So I will put the decimal point after 3 digits from right to left. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So I will put the decimal point between 8 and 6. Okay. So the number it will be 568.674. Stop. Okay. After we dividing the number by 1,000, now we will approximate to the nearest kilometer or to the nearest unit. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit in tenth place. 6 is rich, so I will cross or remove the decimal point and add 1 to units and keep the other digits as they are. 8 plus 1 equals 9 in units, 6 in tens, 5 in hundreds. Okay, exercise number C and B and C are homework. And now to the nearest meter, the inverse. 1 kilometer equals, as we said, 1,000 meter. But now I will convert from kilometer to meter, so I will multiply by 1,000. Okay. 98.0375 by 1,000. Here I have 3 zeros in 1,000. So I will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. So I will put the decimal point between 7 and 5. Point 5. And now I will do the approximation. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit before units in 10th place. 5 is rich. Yes, excellent. Five is rich digit. So cross the decimal part, add 1 to units, then keep the other digits as they are. 7 plus 1 equals 8 in units, 3 in tens, 0, 8, 9. Exercise B and C are homework. In this exercise, I will approximate to the nearest centimeter. Okay, as we said, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. I will convert from meter to centimeter, from the greater unit to the less, so I will multiply by 100. I have 2 zeros in 100, so I will move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So I will put the decimal point between 8 and 2. Point 2. And now I will do the approximation to the nearest centimeter. Underline the digit in units. Look at the digit in tenth. 2 is poor. I will remove the decimal part and keep the whole number as it is. 8 in units, 6 in tenths, 1 in hundreds, 4 in thousands. B, C are homework. And now I will approximate to the nearest hour. But remember with me, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And I will convert from smaller unit to the bigger unit. So I will divide. By 60. $146 divided by 60. Okay, my draft. 60 by 160, by 2, 120, by 3, 180, stop. 2 up, 120 down, then subtract. 6 minus 0, 6, 4 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. I will write this as a mixed number. 2 as a whole number, 60 as denominator, and 26 is numerator. 2 hours and 26 over 60. And now, to do my approximation, I will multiply the numerator by 2. 26 by 2. Then, compare the product by the denominator. 2 by 6, 12. 2 carry up 1. 2 by 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 52 is smaller than 60. So, this fraction is poor. I will remove this fraction and keep the whole number as it is. 2 hours. Okay, turn the page. Letter C. 43 minutes equals space hours. Okay, here I have 43 minutes. So, I will divide 43 by 60. But I can't because 43 is smaller than 60. So, I will write it as a fraction. 43 over 60. Okay, and multiply the numerator by 2. 43 by 2. 2 by 3, 6. 2 by 4, 8. Then compare 86 by 60. 86 is greater than 60. So, this fraction is rich. I will remove the fraction and add 1 to the whole number. Here I have 0. So, 0 plus 1 equals 1 hour. Okay? Story problems. A piece of cloth of length 163.75 meters. If a piece of length 60.15 was cut from, take away, subtraction, excellent. Cut from it, find the length of the remaining piece of cloth to the nearest unit. Okay, I have 2 parts. At first, I will do subtraction operation. Then I will approximate the result to the nearest unit. Okay, in subtraction, start from the biggest number, 163.75 minus 60.15. I have 2 digits after the decimal point, so I will start from the right. 5 minus 5 equals 0, 7 minus 1 equals 6, then put the decimal point. 3 minus 0 equals 3, 6 minus 6 equals 0, write 1. The remaining piece of cloth, 103.6. And now I will approximate this answer, 103.6. to the nearest unit. Okay, underline the digit in units. Look at the digit in tenth place. 6 is rich. Remove the decimal part, add 1 to the units and keep the other digits as they are. So the result will be 104. Okay, question number 3. It's homework. So my homework is complete pages 45 and 46 from the booklet. Goodbye, thank you.